always have a use for gift bags. I just restocked my supply. 24 pieces, multiple colors. Genuinely impressed with how bright and cheerful these colors are. Very bright and cheerful. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. I keep these on hand for birthdays, holidays, and buddy gift school events. The handles are very sturdy, and the bags themselves have that nice, thick texture that immediately tells you these are not going to rip mid-transport. So what I like, the first is the 6 assorted rainbow colors. So every event is going to look more festive. I always put some colorful tissue paper inside. Sometimes I write on the outside of it with a glitter pen, but each bag does easily hold heavier gifts, candles, books, small toys, no sagging, no tearing. What I really like is the amount that you can put in the bag. This bag measures 10 by 5 by 13. So 13 tall, 10 on the bottom, and then 5 in the diameter. This is my most favorite bag. It is not too big. It is not too small. You can put a lot in this bag, a lot. And I really like them because they're tall. And that's why I chose them. Not too small, not too big. I have all of these for hostess gifts, goodie bags, like I said, tissue paper, a bow, and a cute little name outside, and I am good to go. Would I buy them again? Yes. This is my second or third batch. And these, as always, replace those official boring, plain brown bags. And enjoy.